Hi, today we're going to learn how to do a knee push-up. Well, push-up is one of the most challenging exercise. The reason is because it recruits muscle from your entire body and specifically from the upper body. And we often have less strength in our upper body if we consider women. But you can definitely do a knee push-up and I will teach you how to do it correctly. So let's go. All you're gonna do is first we come in this cat-cow position like this. Now this is the most basic simple position. All you're gonna do is keep your arms straight. So make sure they're straight. Your thighs or the legs are completely straight from the hips. Now very gently get your knees backward like this. So making it diagonal instead of straight. Now my legs are diagonal to the hips. Yes, your arms will remain straight, but also make sure they are adjacent to the chest. Like this, fingers open. Now your body will go down in one straight line. So when I say straight line, it means from your head to your tailbone in one line. It will go down straight like this. Let's go. And coming up. Well, also make sure one more thing, don't flare out those elbows like this. We often do this, which is a wrong technique. So keep the elbows in and you don't have to go all the way down right now. Even this much is fine. But tighten your stomach. Again, don't arch your lower back. Keep it engaged. Neck in one line. And elbows in and up. It is definitely challenging, but with these tips, you can get the right form. Let me know how was it for you.